my channel, Kicks Are Fresh. Now, if you're new here, I go by K Fresh, and by the title of this video, you already know that I'm going to be unboxing some Adidas sandals for you guys today. Now, the reason why I purchased these sandals is because I always wanted this ever since this model sandal came out. It was one of those sandals that really weren't like slides. You know how you have like the Nike and Adidas slides? I was just getting very tired of the same slide. And so when these came out in like black, white, army green, pink, I knew that I wanted to cop a pair right from jump. However, I just felt like they really weren't worth the $40, $50 that they were retailing for at the moment. So I went ahead and just waited for this shoe to go on sale so that I can get a review out to you all, and hopefully you will cop these shoes as well. Now, before we get into the logistics of this video, you already know what time it is. If you are a new viewer on the Kicks for Fresh channel, please make sure to smash that subscribe button. You don't want to miss any more sneakers, sandal reviews, clothing hauls, or need or leaves, which I call the fresh opinion on sneakers. Also, please make sure to like this video. It helps me, it helps my videos get into the algorithm so that hopefully I can help more people out there as they're trying to find the best sandal or sneaker or clothing to get ready for the summer, fall, winter, or the spring. And then lastly, comment below. Do you own a pair of these Adidas sandals? If not, are you considering copying these hopefully? Now that you've seen my review and on feet, I want to hear from you all. All right, so I actually purchased these sandals from Shoe Carnival. If you're not familiar with Shoe Carnival, it's very similar to Famous Footwear, DSW, designer shoe wear. They sell a lot of different brands of shoes and accessories for a lot of times under the retail price. So right now, these sandals, I believe, on the Adidas website are going for $40 or $45. They are priced at $39.99 on the Shoe Carnival app as well as the website. I, however, got these shoes for $29.99 and free shipping. So this was an amazing deal. I could not pass these up. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this bag because I just got these down on my doorstep, and I wanted to make sure that you all are experiencing the total unboxing package. So as you can see, it comes in this white, half black box. You basically have what reads the Adilette Sandal. I did get a size 10s. These are women's shoes, I would say, and I don't think fellas would wear these, to be quite honest. The reason why I got these in a 10 instead of my true to size, which is 10 and a half, is all of the reviews said that these shoes run big. So I hope and pray that I did not get a shoe that is not going to work for me. And like I said, the price on Shoe Carnival's website was $39.99, which was listed here. So I just want to give you a quick glimpse of what this looks like, and then we're going to go ahead and get into the opening of these shoes. Now, I love these. Just looking at them right now, we'll go ahead and they even threw basically, the little thing that they be hanging on in the Shoe Carnival. So that's cool. I might like use this. You just never know. I might use that. So anyway, I don't want to take up too much of you all's time. Like I said, I just wanted to get a quick review and on feet of these. And here you have it, the Adidas Adilette Sandals. Let me know how to pronounce that in the description or down in the comment section. Now, right off the bat here, you do have this amazing Adidas logo right in the front of the shoe, in white with a black kind of black stripe, I guess you would say, over the feet area where the toes are. I really love that it's white here and then it's split to the black, because I feel like this part always gets very dirty on sandals. Just looking at the lateral side, nothing really too fancy. There is a strap here so you can adjust it for your comfort. I really like the back here. The back here, right here, has the 3 stripes for obviously Adidas. You know, a lot of people say checks over stripes, but at the end of the day, I like what I like, right? And so there's not much to say more about these shoes. On the inside, you do also have the Adidas debossed or embossed logo, as well as this bottom sole, outsole that is in all white, which also has Adidas here. And it looks exactly the same on the other shoe. So now what I'm going to do is try these on, but before I do, one thing that I would like to say is another reason why I really wanted these shoes is a lot of people said that they are ridiculously comfortable. Now, a lot of times slides, they are very comfortable, but it does depend on the ones that you purchase, as well as depending on, you know, what size you get and things of that nature. Some of them have them weird grooves where the arch is supposed to be and all that other stuff. I'm not here for it, so I really wanted something that did have a nice curve to it, but wasn't overly curved and kind of a wide toe box, in my opinion, because I do have a wider foot, so I wanted to have that wide toe box just for comfort. So before I give you the on-feet action of these shoes, again, I purchased these shoes on shoecarnival.com. They were suggested retail of $39.99. I got them on sale for $29.99, and for some reason, free shipping. I guess that's something new that they're doing right now, just with the whole quarantine situation. You can't go into the stores. So I feel like I got a really good deal on these. Again, they do come in a couple of different colorways. So I just have the white and black colorway, but there also is a black and white colorway. Well, I guess I have the black and white colorway, but they also have a white and black colorway, as well as kind of a rust pink kind of colorway. It's not a bright pink, but where all the black is on this shoe. And then they have an army type green, just a little lighter than an army, but it does remind me of an army green. And so if you want to cop these shoes for the summer, something cute that you can walk around in and still have your cute outfit with your biker shorts and, you know, your cute tank top, this is something definitely that you should pick up for the summer. So that is all I have for you today. Enjoy this on-foot look of the Adidas Adilette Sandals. And until the next video, your girl is out.